Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review, don't forget that the link to purchase the UBOTIE Colorful Computer Wireless Keyboard Mice Combo at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This combo offers a vibrant and nostalgic typing experience with its retro typewriter-style round keycaps and multicolored design that truly stands out in any office or home setup. The keys feature a unique mirror plane effect, adding a subtle shine that enhances the overall aesthetic, though it does mean you'll want to keep the keyboard clean to maintain that look. One of the biggest highlights of this combo is its reliable 2.4 GHz wireless connection, which promises dropout-free performance, ensuring smooth typing and mouse control without frustrating interruptions. Setting it up is straightforward. Just plug in the USB receiver, and it's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and Mac systems, making it versatile for most users. The keyboard also includes an auto power-saving feature, which helps extend battery life, a practical addition for everyday use. The optical mouse complements the keyboard well, offering precise tracking and responsiveness. This combo is full-sized, so it includes a number pad, which is handy for office work or data entry tasks. The colorful design is durable and designed not to fade over time, which is a great assurance for long-term use. On the downside, while the retro round keys are charming and nostalgic, they might take some getting used to if you're accustomed to modern flat keycaps. The mirror surface, while visually appealing, can attract fingerprints and dust, requiring regular cleaning to keep it looking pristine. Additionally, the pink colorful scheme is vibrant but may not suit all professional environments depending on personal taste. Overall, this wireless keyboard and mouse combo is an excellent choice for those who want a blend of style, nostalgia, and functionality without breaking the bank. Its easy setup, solid wireless performance, and unique design make it a standout option for both office and home use. Remember, the link to purchase the UBOTIE Colorful Computer Wireless Keyboard Mice Combo at a discount is fixed and pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out.